Hey, Mac, what are you doing?
Mac,
He's never done this.
he's got all his toys lined up. Mac. What are you doing, Mac? Does he know how to get out? He's freezing. He doesn't want to come out. He's freezing. He found something new. Come on, Mac.
Come on now. Come on, Maggie. Stop. Oh,
Oh, see?
Mac!
He likes it under there.
doing?
He found something new. He's like,
Did
what
you
are you,
like it under there?
what are you bothering me for? Pull it back over. That's too funny.
Oh. He's
That's really good.
he never did that before. He never did that before. Look, Deb, he went back under
I know
there.
he did.
Oh my God.
Look at him.
Oh, God.
I never saw him do that before. I thought he
That's
was
too
like
funny.
getting like suffocated under